Oh,
Listen, I was thinking that why don't we go to dinner tonight, you and me?
Shania, I've told you many times, I only love Kaveri.
Then when did I told you to leave her? Give her time, at least my
Listen,
time.
we are friends and that's good.
So when did I ask you more? I just asked you your love.
Shania, and you know that I'm in love with your friend.
Please, Rohan, please listen to me today. At least today.
Shania, just stay away from me.
Till date, I got who I wanted. Now you just wait and watch.
Madam, did you call me?
Yes, I had some work for you.
Please tell me, madam.
Can you do some work for me?
Yes, madam, I will do.
You have to kill Kaveri for me.
But why, madam? She's your friend, no, madam.
She was, now she's not.
Okay, madam.
And for that work, I will give you lots of money.
Oh, what do you say?
Yeah.
For money, I can do anything, madam.
Now take this advance. Rest of the money after the work is
What do
done.
you say, madam? You think the work is done? Whenever you choose a wrong path, then it is necessary that you will fall in the trap. Shania was also going through like this only. And for her, it was very hard to come back again.
What happened, Shania? Kaveri, I have bad headache. Too much pain. Take the medicine. I have kept the medicine. Oh God, even that's not working. Please listen, dear. There's a medical ahead. Please get me another medicine for me, please. Okay, don't worry. I'll just get it for you. You please rest. Yeah. Eat something. I'm getting it for you. Okay, thank you. Rohan, come fast. Oh God. I will not leave her today. Yes.
Kavi! Kavi! Kavi!
Huh?
Shania, where is Kavi?
Why you keep taking her name? What is special in her which I don't have?
What she has, you won't never have. And you will never understand.
Oh God.
Shania, tell me, where is Kavi?
I really love you. Why don't you understand my feelings?
Shania, I have told you million times that I only love Kavi.
Oh God, what's so special about her?
Are you gone crazy, Shania?
Yes, I am mad. I have gone mad. Why don't you understand that?
Shania, please take care of yourself.
If you
Shania,
can't
come
be
on.
mine, then you can't be anyone else's. Why don't you understand my love? Rohan? Rohan? Sorry. So sorry. Rohan? Rohan? Please get up. Oh God. Oh no. I didn't kill him. No. Oh God. No. Get up. Oh God. Oh God, what has happened? No. Rohan? Kaveri? Rohan? What happened to him? Kaveri? Rohan, he tried to molest me. I was just trying to save myself then. He can't do like that. Kaveri,
Rohan.
please trust me, Kaveri.
Rohan, please get up.
Rohan. Kavya, I didn't kill him. Kavya. Kavya, please forgive me, Kavya. Kavya, you know I can't do this, right?
After the death of Rohan, police was very much alert and they started their investigation. And during this investigation, they started suspecting only one person every time.
He tried to molest me. He tried to grope me. And I tried to push him. I just did self-defense. I didn't kill him. I didn't do it at all purposely. It just happened out of mistake.
Listen, madam. This looks like a self-defense case. I'll come here for the investigation afterwards. Okay?
Yes, Inspector, sir. Thank you.
Listen, whatever you know, tell me very much clearly. Sir, I went to their house only to repair the AC one day. So what did you saw there? Sir, both of these ladies started assaulting me. Listen, I know this already. I just wanted to know, can Shania murder someone? Do you think like that? Sir, how can I say that? Tell me. Listen, if you remember anything, come to the police station and inform me. Now I'll leave.
Oh God. God knows where's the inspector.
Yes, Kaveri ji. You called me and you have asked me to come here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I think that Shania is lying to you.
Shania is lying.
Yeah.
Why do you think like that?
Because, sir, I know Rohan very well. He can't do this at all. He cannot try to molest any girl. No, he can't do that.
But Shania is your best friend, isn't it? Why will she do like that? And why will she put this kind of allegation?
That even I don't know, sir. That's why I wanted to meet you. And I wanted to tell you something more.
Yes, tell me. But listen, tell me first this thing. Before Rohan came to your place, how many people came to your house and how many people went out?
Many people come. Yeah, but the electrician and the massage guy is the main one. They keep on coming and going.
Electrician and then massager.
Yeah.
Do you have their number with you?
Yeah, I'll give you. I've sent you the number.
Okay, Kaveri. The information that you gave me, I'll definitely investigate.
Thank you, sir.
But listen, if you're saying the truth, then believe me, I will spare no one. Okay? I'll leave now.
Come in. Come inside. The door is open. Oh. Kavya, listen. First, you go for the massage. I'll take it later. Sure, no problem.
Yes. Madam, your work is done now.
Now take your reward.
Thank you, madam. For this money, I can kill anyone, madam.
You're such an
Okay,
asshole.
bye then. So you are here now. I didn't do anything, sir. What happened? This madam did everything. Sir, I haven't done anything, sir. What, madam?
Sir, he's just
No,
lying,
no, sir. No.
Sir, why would I get my
What
friend
happened,
killed?
monsieur? Do you want to say anything? Just tell me fast, or else you will get a life imprisonment. And you will go inside the jail and I'll beat you. Wait, sir. Let me show you something. Sir, see. Check this. Check this, sir. Check this video, sir. I'm telling the truth, sir. I haven't done anything, sir. Look at this video, sir. Oh my God.
Sir, this is a fake video.
Sir, she's telling lies, sir.
And even this
Sir,
guy.
she's lying, sir. Madam, I'm not telling lie. I can see everything. Who is telling lie and who is telling the truth. I can see half of the truth. She has done everything. And half of the truth will be known inside the jail. You are under arrest. Let's go.
Sir, I didn't do anything.
Let's go. You also come. Let's go.
Sir. Sir.
Why are you standing? Let's go. Both
Sir,
of you
please
will be
leave me.
punished. Let's go.
Sir, please leave me.
Shania has ruined 3 lives, including her. What was Kaveri's and Rohan's fault? Only this much, that they used to love each other? Or this, that they have trusted their friend Shania like anything? But I will request you only one thing, that never break anyone's trust. We will see you again with a new story and a new episode. Till then, take care, stay safe. Jai Hind.